Hi friends, how have you been? So I am very fine today and I hope you all are fine and fit. So today I will tell you how to speak English with fluency and how you can learn to speak English in a smart way. So we all know that very well that to speak English, to learn English, we all need to read in English. Also, right? You all know and you may be used to read something in English. But what is the best way to read something and how you can read in a smart way? So when you are reading something in English, you have to keep focus on words, on vocabulary, not on sentence. When we read something, we need to give full focus on words, right? When we give full focus on words, then we understand what its meaning and what it is in this sentence. It may be noun, it may be pronoun, it may be verb, it may be preposition, it may be adverb or adjective or anything else. So then we understand, right? So in this way we understand that where noun is used in sentence, where pronoun is used in sentence, and where verb, adjective, adverb or preposition is used and what its meaning, then we understand very clearly. That's why we have to give full focus on words, not on sentence. Because when we try to understand meaning of sentence, then we confuse, then we anxious, then we feel anxious because then we are not understanding its meaning, full meanings, and we think that we are not understanding. It is a total waste of time, right? In this way, sometimes we feel right? So that's why we need to give full focus on words. In this way, you also learn how to make sentence structure and where these words should be used in sentence. You would understand very well. And if you read in this way, believe me that in a smart way, in very few times, you would learn how to make sentence structure. And that is our main purpose. When we want to speak English, we need to make sentence structure. So when we understand how to make sentence structure, when we learn how to make sentence structure, then we also use to speak in English, right? So that's why we need to give full focus on sentence structure. Second thing is that you have to, when we are reading something in English, you have to just read it. Most of the time when we are reading something, then we are thinking anything else, or maybe we try to do anything else, right? So if you are going to read something in English, you have to make sure that to just I would read, just I am going to read. That means you are reading, that means you are not doing anything else, you are not thinking anything else, you are just like meditating, you are meditating. When we in this way, when we read something, then we quickly learn, then we learn in a smart way. Believe me that it doesn't matter how much time you give in reading, but whatever time you give in reading, you are reading with concentration, with full focus, then you would learn very quickly. Believe me that. Second thing, what should you do? When you listen in English, something in English, then you have to just listen. You have to listen words to words. What a speaker is saying or telling, right? So in this way, you would learn its pronunciation also, and where words are using, what its meaning. Sometimes one word has different meaning, right? So that's why when we give full focus on listening, when we listen very carefully with full attention, then we learn very quickly. That should we do, right? This is called a smart way of learning. That should we do. It is a, believe me that if you listen very carefully, then you understand also pronunciation and automatic, and in this way you would learn to make sentence structure, and what you listen you would use in your life in a speaking. That's why you need to listen very carefully, right? So that should we do. Whatever we do, we need to do that things. Many of the people, they listen but they are doing anything else, they are thinking anything else. Sometimes they are many things they are doing. That's why if we do just listening, if we listen, and when we are reading something, just reading, then we learn very quickly, believe me that. So that is my main thing to tell you, that how you can read and how you can listen. If you do it for 1 month, believe me that you build confidence that you can also speak, and maybe it would be happen with you that you automatically start to speak English, and you would amazed, you would surprised that how I start to speak English. That's why you have to do it, believe me that. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much. If you like my video, then hit the like button, and if you want to see this type of video, if you want to watch this type of video, then subscribe to my channel, and if you want to ask something, then comment below. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.